Hi everybody, this is Rachel LeBrock with Eldorado Hills Realty. We are the local listing brokers for HUD. That's the Housing and Urban Development Department of our government. And today I am so excited to be bringing you on tour of this amazing new HUD listing. Today we are at 1575 American River Trail in the highly desirable guard-gated community of Auburn Lake Trails. Here in this HOA community, you have access to the pool, tennis, clubhouse, golfing. This is a great golfing community, and as well as really great private hiking and nature trails. Today at this property, this is just under about 1,500 square foot home, 2 to 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths and a 2-car attached garage, all single story. And as you can see, this really nice wide parking pad can accommodate your vehicles, RV, and it's just all around surrounded by beautiful, lush nature, adding to additional privacy in your expansive front yard. Lots of areas to design your own landscaping to be able to enjoy year-round. Not to mention, this home backs to a greenbelt. So not only do you have beautiful nature views surrounding this home to enjoy with family and friends, but you also have that added privacy of no rear neighbors. So without further ado, let's get inside. Welcome your guests in from your large covered front deck to your spacious living room. Here you have a really nice wood panel accent wall as well as a nice brick fireplace to curl up next to during these cool winter evenings. Also, check out these large picturesque windows in the living room, great for looking out to your expansive backyard as well as Greenbelt views. Now, let's head on into the kitchen. Now here in your formal dining room space, it's really nice light and bright area with a glass slider that leads out to your covered back patio, perfect for when you're entertaining, making that easy access during those summertime barbecues. Now here in this open kitchen area, you have tons of cabinet storage space, as well as featuring, again, a really nice large window over your sink. And just off the kitchen is your indoor laundry room with lots of space, as well as kitchen pantry storage and a door to the backyard. Just down the hall from the laundry room, we enter your spacious primary bedroom with a great view out to your expansive backyard and Greenbelt. Now this room features 2 closets, one in the bedroom and one in the bathroom. This is the primary bathroom featuring a shower stall and window. And the second good-sized bedroom, again, features a nice large window with a view of a tree for privacy and your closet. From your large backyard space, you have plenty of room to start a garden or plan some fun summer activities. You also have the added bonus of being able to enjoy these gorgeous scenes of nature from your backyard greenbelt. And then, hey, spruce up this old wet bar here and turn it into a full outdoor kitchen. You will be the talk of the neighborhood. This attached studio space would be perfect for an in-home office, creative space, or if you go out and build into the storage area over here, you can convert this to your 3rd bedroom, in-law quarters, or a guest suite. So from that studio, you could either expand out into this storage room and install a full bathroom for those guest quarters, or keep it as a storage space. So again, this has been 1575 American River Trail here in the beautiful city of Cool, California. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this charming single-story home that with a little bit of TLC, you can make the gem of the neighborhood. Not only do you have great private surroundings backing to a greenbelt, but you also have incredible HOA amenities to fill your summer days with golfing, horseback riding, tennis, pickleball, and so much more. So again, below is the asking price of the home. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour, give me a call at 916-283-7427. To research more about this property and other HUD homes in your area, go to www.hudhomestore.gov. Thanks again, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.